Welcome, my friends, to my channel Las Delicias de la Cocina. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Today we'll be making bacon wrapped hot dogs. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. The ingredients we are going to be using for this recipe are 8 sausages, 8 hot dog buns, 5 ounces of bacon, 1 avocado, 1 spring onion, 2 tomatoes, 5 cilantro branches, and mayonnaise. We are going to put our pan on the stove with approximately 1 tablespoon of oil at mid-fire. Now we are going to be wrapping our sausages with bacon as shown. We are going to repeat this process with all our sausages. Once we are all done with wrapping our sausages with bacon, we can now take them to cook. When we are cooking our sausages wrapped with bacon, we have to be careful when we turn them around so they don't unwrap. In this process, you would decide how far do you want your sausages wrapped with bacon. My sausages wrapped with bacon are almost ready. As you can see, my sausages wrapped with bacon are ready. At this point, this is how fried I want them. If you want them more, go ahead and continue frying them. Once all our sausages wrapped with bacon are ready, we can now go prepare our hot dog. First, we could add mayonnaise. Now I'll be adding pico de gallo. Below in the description, you could find the link to the video of how to make pico de gallo. You could join your bacon wrapped hot dog with a chili jalapeno, and lastly, we add our ketchup to your taste. Our bacon wrapped hot dog is ready to enjoy. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and comment below what other videos you would like to see and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and comment below what other recipes you would like to see. Don't forget to check out my other videos.